Oh no, I think I just ruined this bunny picture. The pink marker looks so dark and on this Ohuhu pad. But wait, if you stay until the end, you'll see why I call this a happy accident. You won't believe how beautiful the transformation is. Our cute bunny is holding a tasty snack. Can you guess what it is? Start by drawing the number 3. This bottom curve becomes the back paw. And this front paw will hold the snack. Have you guessed it yet? I'll give you a clue. It's orange and crunchy. It grows in the ground. Any ideas? Yes, it's a carrot. To make the eye extra cute, draw a circle in one corner and another opposite it. Color in the middle and it creates a shine effect. Now let's give him 2 cute bunny ears. And a fluffy tail. Now he needs some teeth to crunch through that carrot. Let's add some finishing touches. Almost time to color. Can you still see the number 3 we drew? Or did it disappear? Ready for the coloring magic? For the cheek, I used pale pink light. Watch how dark the color goes on. I'm using blush for the ears. Just watch the marker dry and completely change color. You won't believe your eyes. Look at that light pink pop. Now the ears, can you see the color transition? This was the blush marker when first applied. Now watch it changing behind my hand. I used melon yellow for the carrot. It dries a lovely, bright orange color. Are you ready? If you love seeing art transformations, I'd love to have you in the Sunny Sketch Squad. Hit subscribe. Wow, look how pink the ears dried. I thought this was a total fail when the marker colors went on so dark, but I called this a happy accident. Remember that scary dark ink from the start? Watch this. See, even a dark marker application or wrong color choice can turn into something cute. It's never a fail if you keep going. I'm so happy with how this little bunny turned out. Don't forget to subscribe for art tips and draw with the squad again. Thanks for watching.